Now I am going to tell you how to register in Discord server in any esports server to register your squad for T3 scams, any T3 scams or T2, anything where the bot will automatically take the registration. I am going to tell you now. Now go for any esports link. I will tell you my esports link only. Like this it will open. Accept the invitation. You will join to it. After joining to Discord any server, you will get you asked to do first thing is read the server rules and then take the self roles by responding any image or by clicking any image like this. After that, after responding to any self roles, now search in Discord server by what you asked to do is just like this, like this. Here anything left, take it from left to right, then it will open like this. Go towards search for the T3 scams. Any server like this, they will do like this: T3 scams information, updates, fixed slot, T3 tags. You have to check your first tag like this. I will send you how to register by T3 format like this. L Guardians team name, L Guardians, like that. And now go for the 7 p.m. register here. It will wait for the bot to start the registration. They will fix it the registration timings. You can see here in the T3 information. 7 p.m. registration open at 3 p.m. every day. I will have what to do. I will open now only. To respond as you like, it will come like this. See, notification will become like here at esports pin. Now you has to type your team name. I will put HG and I will tag only one person. You need only one person in our server. Some servers they need more than one person or 4 person. I will tag myself and post it here. It will come like this, right click mark, then your registration has been confirmed. You will get the role to ID password like this. You will get automatically role by given by the bot. And what I will do, let me do stop the registration now. Close it. You will get your start this name here, slot 1. You have slot 1 team HG like this, like see as it is. They will given all information in slot list like this. Time and ID password time all will be given like this in our server. You have to do like this to register and you will get the automatic role in your ID password. If you want to check the role, just click on to your here. Even will be there SGT T3 7 p.m. role. If not there, you registered, your part has been confirmed. Ask any admins or means owners like this.